Whoops, size 7, 80 bucks. Here's 9s too. I'll take the 9. Here we go, beautiful day here in the Great Smoky Mountains. And it's time to go to the Nike clearance store. Find some good stuff. Hit and miss. I got a good feeling today. Let's go see if there's anything new. The Giannis Freak 7s already in here, special edition, 60 bucks. Some of the 4s. I didn't even know they were on 7. Oh, even more of these SBs. Here's a size 10. They're gonna be getting a few of them, I got a feeling. These aren't bad. Special edition, 60 bucks. Patent UNCs. I wonder what these are going for. Oh, now these are making it into the clearance store. Whoa. 60 bucks. It's that special edition kind of black toe. Clear bottom. Black nubuck. Interesting. There's like a mocha looking one. 70. Those UNC Jordan 1 lows. UNC toe, whatever they're called. I'll look them up. They're priced too high at 70. Seems to be like 50, 60. Oh, check these Buck 1 Knights. Kind of cool. 70 bucks. No freaking way, guys. 8.5 black cement. We'll take that. Thank you very much. Let's see if we can find any more. God, I cannot believe the black cement 3s. Oh my God, there's another one. Bingo, 8.5. I'll take you, yes sir. Thank you, thank you. All right, these are massive, massive good credits. All right, let's see what else we can find. Oh my God, no way. You know what, we're getting it. All right, let's see. I'll put this one right there. All right, let's see if we can find any more. Yes, what a score. 3 black cement 3s. Oh, there's still those old mids for 100 bucks. Check these, 100 bucks. You getting these?
Yeah, I might grab that black one.
Here, I'll get one. Oh, black cement 3s. Can't believe these are in here. Oh my gosh, guys, black cement 3s. Look, here's 9s too. I'll take the 9. Oh my God, there's so many. All right, I do gotta look up the sizes on the 9s and 8.5s. Wow, I don't know how much money I can spend. Jeez, that's 600 right there. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Okay, there's still one left. Let's see what else we can find. What about those Jordan 11s? Dang. All right, let's see what else. Woohoo! No way. I think those are like the all-star ones. Oh, you got 2 of them. Dude, it's crazy some of the stuff they've been getting in here. Yeah. Look, no way. Size 8. Let's check them. Size 8, and that guy found. Oh my gosh, guys, wow. All right, let me see how many of these I can fit. Let me look up the best sizes. All right, so we got 8, 8.5, and 9s. They all should be a go, so. Holy moly, wow, how crazy. All right, there's another 8 over there. Let me make sure these are good. All right, wow, I'm gonna go through and make sure all the pairs look good and aren't like worn. But these are all a go, guys. Heck yeah. Let me switch this one for that other one. Let me see. Oops, sorry. Yes. Yeah, we'll take 8s, 8.5s, and 9. These are all. Yeah, this one looks better. What a score. This will probably be my largest amount I've spent in the clearance store. So, let's see if we can find anything else. Peace. Whoops. Size 7, 80 bucks. Kobe All-Stars. Let me look those up, but I think they might be good too. What scores, boy? Clearance store is rocking. Oh my God, guys, definitely getting the Kobe's. This is like, these are like $400. I'm getting them for 80 bucks. You have got to be kidding me. Wow. All right, let's see if we can find any more real quick. All right, I came back and grabbed the other 9. So I think I've got 8 pairs of black cement 3s and then this Kobe. Holy moly, guys. Jackpot. All right, I'm gonna walk through and see if I can find anything else. There was a hoodie I saw yesterday that I should have got, but I didn't. So let me just walk back through, make sure there's no more of these Kobe's. Oh, look, these shirts made it from DSG. 20 bucks. Fire. Love that shirt. All right, so now the trick is are they gonna let me buy this many black cement 3s? I have 8 pairs. Only one way to find out. Holy cow, guys, they let me get it all. I got 8 black cement 3s, the 1 Kobe All-Star, and then my green hoodie. Clearance store, thank you very much. See you on the shed. On foot today, the Jordan 3 Amamaniere. The black pair, obviously. I love this pair. Quality on the materials is amazing. These are pretty low too. I kind of want a double up backup pair. Now I did get this pair used slightly. Well, they had a little heel drag. No star loss, but stars were moving. So, but they looked good. So I grabbed this pair. I wouldn't mind having a backup. The prices aren't that bad. I think you can be the high bid around 120-ish, you know, plus tax and fees. But I love this pair, and I think I do want a backup. What are y'all's thoughts on them? Think they're clean, look good, or no? Back in the shed, guys, and oh my God, what a score. I mean, I think this is the most I've ever spent at one time at the clearance store, for sure. And I cannot believe everything we got. I mean, so glad I cleared out some trash too. Starting off the bat, I mean, not deal of the day, I guess, but black cement 3s, oh my gosh, 1 size 9. This is deal of the day for sure. The Kobe All-Stars, oh my God. This is like $350 plus tax, shipping, all that. I mean, so what a deal. 80 bucks. This is easy $300 credit, I think. I mean, easy. Now, what else do we got? Quite a bit. So we got another size 9 black cement 3 dead stock. And we got more. Another black cement 3 8.5. Another black cement 3 size 8. Keep them coming. Another 8.5. So let's try to stack the ones that go together maybe. What were those? Yeah. Got baby girl with me. She was thrilled, for sure. Tell him. All right, another 9. So we got, hope I'm not blocking the camera too bad, guys. And then another 8.5. And last but not least, another 8. So we got 2 8s, 3 8.5s, 3 8.5s, and 3 9s, plus the Kobe. I mean, wow, what a score, guys. All right, so, I mean, talk about the clearance store, man. I don't know. I know there's a new manager that has come in there. So I don't know if it's that, if Nike's doing this at all the clearance stores, but I mean, I can't believe they let me get all of these. I mean, check it, 8 pairs of black cement 3s at $100 a pop. And then the Kobe's. You excited too, baby girl? I know, me too. So this is gonna be good. So these are easy. I mean, easy, minimum 170-ish trade credit, each one, almost double. So that's the name of the game. You know, finding pairs, you gotta be patient. That way when you do find good stuff, you got money to get it. Because if you just constantly buy, that's why I don't wanna get pairs where I'm gonna make $10, you know, even $20. I'd rather wait, get nothing that day, and then boom. Now I've never found this many black cement 3s, obviously. But even a pair like this, man, $80, and this on GOAT, the cheapest pair is like $400. I mean, that's talk about, this is, I could trade this possibly for almost a pair of Travis Scott Velvets, just this, $80, I get a pair. Now I got to put a little bit more with it. So even if I put $100 with this, $180, I'm getting a dead stock Travis Scott Velvet or Canary, whichever one I'd want. So we've got tons to get credit for. Other things we've got, you know, all the same normal stuff that we've been doing. We do have both black cats in here now. These I'll probably hold for a little while. I do have, we got some Chicagos. I've got another 11 Chicago coming. Don't ask why, guys. Well, I love the shoe, and long term I think it's gonna be good, and I need plenty to wear for the rest of my life. And just, I had a little bit of points on Finish Line, so I was getting at least $20 off for each pair, so that definitely helps. I may go ahead and take the wifey her pair, matter of fact. So Ultimate Sneaker Book, check. So other than that, we got Obsidians, yada yada, other things to get rid of. Slowly these should start trading. These Flower 4s for $50. No box pair Palominos. We've also got the Arts and Rec pairs. Those are slow movers too, but Udos, these greens, there's another. Wow, so we've got 8, 9 pair of black cement 3s. I'll definitely keep this one for myself. These ones should be trading soon, and then we just got more of those Arts and Rec and Obsidians. So now we got to make some room for all these bad boys. So let me put all these up, and you know, I'll let you know as things go through. And all right, so we are going to go ahead and give wifey the pair of Chicagos. She mentioned the other day that she needs a pair of red sneakers, and she can't wait till Christmas. And she can't wait till Christmas, so boy do we have the pair. Chicago Jordan 1s, love them. So boy do we have the pair. Chicagos, man, you can't beat this pair. I love this pair. What you do, Goose? So let me lace it up, take it to her. That's it. See you at the outlet. Peace.